Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a JSON text editor into your websites and app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to the Retool app, log into your account, navigate to apps at the top left and access the app project you would like to go with by clicking into edit here. Next, navigate to pages in the top left and select the page you would like to go with. I will go with this example page here. So here you have your editing space of page number 1. In this case here, we got a header, then we got here space for images, components like text boxes and so on and so forth. So to access the JSON text editor, you will need to navigate to this plus button in the top left to add user interface or components, and from here scroll down till you get to the text inputs, and here use the JSON editor. Drag it to your editing space here, place it or position it like here for instance, and you will see the default value here. So you may, for example, press Alt A to remove all of that and enter your JSON text. I will go with that example text here, or you may enter it here under content value, for instance, and customize the interaction, the appearance, and also the spacing. You may also resize the text editor, for instance, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.